Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix YouTube Wrapped 2025 not showing. Okay, now in order to fix this issue, here we have several methods that you can actually try in order to fix your problem. The first one is to simply go to the settings, then you want to go to apps, then you want to go to manage apps, then you want to search for YouTube application, just like so. Then you want to clear the cache. So simply click on clear data, then click on clear cache, and your issue will be fixed. Another thing to consider or to try to in order to see or fix the wrapped problem is to go simply and open your Play Store or App Store, whatever you have, iOS or Android. Then you want to search for YouTube, just like so, and you want to make sure that you have the latest update. So here, as you can see, I do not have the latest update, so I'm gonna update it with you right now. So if you are using the older one or the older version of YouTube, you will not definitely be able to see the YouTube wrapped. And now in order to see it, you want to go and open your browser. Then you want to search for youtube.com/recap, just like so. Then it will show here this page. Just click on open YouTube and voila, here we go. You can now see your YouTube recap. And that's all. This is how we can fix it. Please consider like and subscribe and see you in a new tutorial.